Welcome back, friends. It's now time to go over our last bit on reports. Some reports are super straightforward and are going to have the same pieces of data every single time. But you may be surprised at how often reports are different from each other. There are situations where we have a field that we only want to show if there's something in the field, right? Say on a sales order, we only want to show the salesperson if the salesperson is set. Or perhaps there's something special about the customer that we want to show if that's set for the customer, but otherwise not at all. I've had clients that have entire pages that are conditionally visible. So whether you can think of a use for conditional statements right now or not, it's good to understand how these work. So let's go ahead and go into sales. Let's go into studio. We're going to go into reports. And now we're going to look at quotation order. Sales orders have a ton of conditional items, so this will be a great example. And obviously, we like copying other people's work, so it's good to know where there's good examples to copy. So of course, we need to be in developer mode here, so make sure you are. And then we're going to go into edit sources, and we're going to start looking for t-if tags. T-if tags, just like all tags, give us a start and end point that they apply to. So anything between that is going to be subject to the conditional statement that we see in our t-if tag. And I described these t-ifs as a tag, but really they're an attribute within a tag. You can see there's a t-if here in this div. You can see there's a t-if here in this span. So you can actually throw it into other tags to modify those. So right here is an excellent example of a t-if. So we have t-if equals doc.client underscore order underscore reference. What this means is if on our sales order, the client order ref is set, meaning there's a value in it, we want to show everything between these div tags. You can do a ton with this right here. Basically, all we're saying is that if there's something to show, show it, right? It's just as simple as that. The other big concept here is t-else. So saying, if this isn't true, what else do you want to show? That's also important. So here's a good example of that, right? So we can look at this and say, if our sales order is in draft or sent state, we want to label it quotation date. Otherwise, with this t-else, we want to label it with order date. Now we could go deeper than this, but really these concepts get you about as far as you need to go. We can essentially hide and show different portions of our report based on so many conditions, and we can do it with simple logic. Well guys, this is about as far as we're going to go with reports. Unless you tell me you need something else, this is it. I trust that you guys will be good with this. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thanks.